Welcome to a new video. Today I show you the Style Checker Assistant which I have developed. So the Style Checker Assistant helps you to evaluate your selected clothing, if it is appropriate for hiking, for a beach day, or for a formal dinner. So we select the formal dinner entry here. Now the app is loading a small prompt. So is this outfit appropriate for a nice dinner reservation? And so on. Up here you are able to take a picture with your smartphone camera or just upload a picture. That guy in a nice clothing. I would say it's a little bit overdone, but let's start the analysis. So Qwen3, the vision model, is loaded in the backend already, and now the GPU should work. So we see that here the RAM is already filled up with 27 GB of that model, and the GPU itself is running by 97%. Going back to the assistant, here we have that configuration tab where we are able to configure the assistant in the backend, the system prompt of the assistant. So we are able to change that. And up here we have a drop-down box with all those models already available in Ollama. So going back to the style assistant, the evaluation is done. So we reached 8 of 10. Well, the recommendation is swap the black tie. Okay, so we see it here. Maybe some more colors are good for a formal dinner. So selecting the music concert. So we have that prompt down here and uploading. So we will also do the analysis for that picture, started right now. It's important here that the system prompt is specified that way that we may have some temperature changes during that outdoor festival. And I would think that it needs some additional layering to be prepared for the late night, so that it's not getting too cold, that young woman here. So let's wait. The analysis is finished. Well, there's a small bug from time to time. The summary is not available. So what do we see here? Well, first of all, a no. Festival appropriate in style but lacks practical layering for nighttime temperature drops. So that's a recommendation, that we need something additional for getting not too cold in the night. So thank you very much for watching that small video, and well, maybe subscribe and like that video. Thank you. Bye bye.